Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Cousin Marv Eisen. It's Friday, May 17th, and we're just about ready to begin the trading day. Right now, morning time is the time typically to trade. I want to check where we are stochastics wise. Of course, the stochastics are going to be down because the futures were down overnight. Market is just opened. I have a feeling it's going to climb, so I'm gonna buy four at market. Dow is down 163, 166. I would have a hard time thinking the market is going to lose further ground today. It's right now we're up and climbing. Again, this is the 3-minute chart of the S&P E-minis. If you're practicing trading or if you are just watching this video for the first time, my name's Marv Eisen, and my site, Timeless Dollar, is a place where I try to train people to give them a sense that they can make money if they lost their job or if they're looking to make some extra money. I'm going to close that. I'm going to show you, and this is paper trading. That was a $400 gain. So that's a $400 gain on the S&P E-mini. I'm going to go in a little more here. I think that the market is still ripe. We're still showing some exuberance. The bulls are still in control of this market. I'm getting ready to pull the trigger on an exit. Yeah. Here are my two trades today, 400 and 100. So it's 9:34. So in 4 minutes, that's a $500 day. So let me ask you a question. Do you think you could do this? Do you think you'd like to try to do this? If so, go to my site at timelessdollar.com. Check out my course. It's not expensive. I'm trying to help people who don't really want to trade. They don't feel that trading, they never even considered trading as an activity that they'd want to engage in. They've heard it's very risky, and it is risky. But I'll show you how to limit your risk severely. The price of my course is very reasonable. Worst comes to worst, you learned a very important and profitable skill. If you choose to apply it, you can be financially independent the rest of your life. My trading day extends for an hour in the morning and an hour in the afternoon. So it's 9:35. I could go spend the rest of my day comfortably, $500 today. So that's the essence of trading S&P E-mini futures. Hopefully you go to my site, check out my course. I even have a discount if you find the discount coupon on the site. It's right there. So I'm going to see you a little later. So it's 9:41, and I stayed at my screen. I just put it on pause. I'm coming back to you. I saw the market was still climbing. I executed 2 additional trades, and I want to show you the results of those trades. I like to trade early in the morning when the market just demonstrates a proclivity one way or the other, and certainly it's gaining ground. But I just want to show you what I did. I don't want to hide anything from you guys. I'm going to show you exactly what this is all about. I showed you my first 2 trades, 400 and 100. Then I jumped in again. The market was basically going nowhere, retreated, and I took a $50 loss. Market was still going up. I kept my focus on the screen. Went in again, and I put in a $300 profit. So we have 800 minus 50. We have $750 profit in 12 minutes. And I'm happy for the day. I'm not going to be trading anymore this morning, and I'm going to close this video off. I think if you made that kind of money in such a short time, you'd be very excited to see that there is a way to become financially independent through trading. And I can show you how to do this. Don't try to trade without an education, without taking my course. So I just wanted to give you an example of what this is all about, what trading S&P E-minis is all about. Okay, guys, this is Marv Eisen. I'm going to be signing off this morning, and I hope to see you at timelessdollar.com. Have a great day.